Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to cancel a money transfer on Sendwave using a working 2025 method. So let's get right into it. First, open the Sendwave app on your phone and sign into your account. Go to your recent transactions or history tab to see your latest transfers. Find the money transfer you want to cancel and tap it to open the full details. If it still shows as pending or processing, you'll see an option to cancel transfer. Tap cancel and confirm to stop the payment immediately. Your funds will be refunded to your original payment method within a few business days depending on your bank. If the transfer already shows delivered, it means the money has reached the recipient and can be canceled. In that case, tap help in the app to contact Sendwave support right away. They can help you track or resolve the issue. And that's how to cancel a money transfer on Sendwave using the official and working 2025 method.